Okay, here's the deal. I have a cat that I feed. I'm allergic, so it's not allowed in the house. Her name's Snowball, and I swear every time I feed it, it says thank you. So hopefully she'll talk today, and I can get on video, and I can put it on YouTube. So here we go. Let's see if she'll talk to me. Hey, Snowball. Just waking up, huh? All right. What you doing? Don't hiss. I'm feeding you, silly head. You don't like to be on camera? Well, I'm sorry. Well, stop saying no. I'm videoing you anyway. Here you go. There you go. You're welcome.